العاديات, the Galloping Horses, is chapter 100 in the Quran. This Meccan chapter was revealed to emphasize that those who are ungrateful to Allah will be held accountable on the Day of Judgment. Allah begins the chapter swearing by the horses used in battle. وَالْعَادِيَاتِ ضَبْحًا, by the galloping, panting horses. فَالْمُورِيَاتِ قَدْحًا, striking sparks of fire with their hoofs. فَالْمُغِيرَاتِ صُبْحًا, launching raids at dawn. فَأَثَرْنَ بِهِ نَقْعًا, stirring up clouds of dust. فَوَسَطْنَ بِهِ جَمْعًا, and penetrating into the heart of enemy lines. إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لِرَبِّهِ لَكَنُودٌ, surely humankind is ungrateful to their Lord. When something bad happens to them, they forget all the blessings from Allah and complain about what is ailing them. وَإِنَّهُ عَلَى ذَلِكَ لَشَهِيدٌ, and they certainly attest to this. Not only is Allah a witness to their ungratefulness, they themselves acknowledge it. وَإِنَّهُ لِحُبِّ الْخَيْرِ لَشَدِيدٌ, and they are truly extreme in their love of worldly gains. أَفَلَا يَعْلَمُ إِذَا بُعْثِرَ مَا فِي الْقُبُورِ, do they not know that when the contents of the graves will be spilled out, وَحُصِّلَ مَا فِي الصُّدُورِ, and the secrets of the hearts will be laid bare? إِنَّ رَبَّهُمْ بِهِمْ يَوْمَئِذٍ لَخَبِيرٌ, surely their Lord is all aware of them on that day. So we must always be grateful to Allah, not only for His blessings, but for the hardships as well. Help us create more videos by visiting our website today and contributing to our mission and project. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to access more videos and content.